Sir, cái number cái kia cả cho.
Text na. Preparation on full swing for day 1 of PRERANA UTSAV-cum-CULTURAL Festival, in which CompetitionWinner School us is the host. This is a view of day 1, and the arrangement done here is for football tournament, in which various schools in Lamkatang would be competing for the tournament, for the trophy. KV will also be there, St. Paul, Saltbrook, and CompetitionWinner, the host itself, and some more schools. This is the field. I think it's all arranged properly and nicely. The teachers and the students from KV who will be participating in various category is getting ready. The program is going to start by 10 actually, and the students are all busy here. So we're Navadia Vigilante Gnome welcomes you. Okay, you guys are the ushers. No, it's fine. This is the art display written by Pamilin Lupeng. It's so good. Like right now, Pamilin Lupeng. Preparation on full swing. Art display is going on right now. And we have another one which is painted by Pamilin Lupeng as well. It's so good. I think this represents the Sami tribe or something. And we have a cookie damsel. I don't know who painted this, but it's so good. Fu Zamputin Thang Lupeng, written by Pamilin Lupeng as well. It looks all so good. The cookie themselves. All written by Pamilin Lupeng. If I'm not mistaken, Pamilin Lupeng is the painter in the army. And here are the students of CompetitionWinner getting ready for the festival. Actually, the bell just ring and the program is going to start any moment. Hi, sir. Our compare for today, Miss Ba and Miss Lamnehoy. Hi, sir. Sir Paul, the coordinator. We have some teachers also has arrived. Okay, sir, say hi. Sir. Our Vice Principal, Sir Hazel. We have Ma'am Mary here, Senior Most Teacher. Sir Beksa, Music Teacher. I will be the videographer today, so I don't dress up. A view of the entire, all this. From Miss Win, from which school you are? Rayburn, okay. Representative from Rayburn teachers. All from Rayburn School.
I would like to
Which
request all
school?
the students to take your
St.
seats.
Paul. Don School, okay. The Don School teachers representative. All from Don School, na? Ebenezer School's representative. Okay, okay. I know you are. I know you are. Okay. So let's have a little tour of the museum as well. The program is to go on. This is over there to museum corner. Today is day 1. I don't think I would be highlighting all this again tomorrow, so I take this opportunity now. These are all the tournament won by JNV Twinum students, and we have various stripes. It's not clear. Paite, Hado, Vaipe, Simte, Zo. I won't name in particular because it's not clear. Com, Gangte, Mar, and all those. And these are the necklace. Okay, and these are made by original, made from bamboo. Okay, this is a view from the okay. The program was to begin any moment. This is day 1 of PRERANA UTSAV-cum-CULTURAL Festival. I will be suggesting the video again for tomorrow. Okay. All the best competitors, okay? Do your best. Yeah, okay, okay. Speak English. Okay, okay. All the best, okay? Those who are going to represent our school. Do your best. And in the afternoon, we would be having football competition tournament, or to say so, various schools will be competing as well. And I would be taking a video as well. Okay. I hope we have a good time. Again, let's go down again. Trong World Cup nhiều quá lẹ. Vậy chắc hôm nay là biểu cái video à? À vậy là. Cái ví dụ chơi của tôi là 1, 2, 3. Corner, come on! Lấy lại cho tiêu của nó. Do again, do properly. Alay lah dulu. Are start. Today is the day 2. The first activity of the day, football match, will be between Rayburn High School and JNV Tuino. Rayburn student player also has arrived.
Sir!
Gogo and father is also already there. Gogo! No! Commentator di. Okay, practice is going strong right now. Today final match will be between JNV Tuinom and supporters of JNV are here. Hi. And those are Rayburn. We will be JNV Tuinom boys are really practicing strong. I hope they nail it. Say hi. Không pick up mo?
Hi, sir.
Okay. All the best. Okay. Okay, NCC team are also doing the water supply. Everybody is having a good time.
At the present moment, JNV Tuinom football team are warming up, and Rayburn team also, they are starting to warm up. Today's game will be a very exciting and eventful one. Both are strong contenders for the top position. For today, Vikram Singh, Principal JNV Tuinom. Who is escorted by S. Paul, Program Coordinator.
Fish.
Moment, inspection of the players is going on. And as soon as the inspection is over, there will be a photo session with the players.
Sir. Kimik suna dole, good photo din na. Some of you keep.
teams are doing well.
Hey! Ipiki ball. Nice! Come on!
Defending by JV team. Now we have to see.
Goal position right now is JNV Twinum 1 and Rayburn School 1. It's a tie. Let's see who scored another goal. They are chasing for the ball right now and it's lead by Rayburn School. It's fierce, play soft, don't get hard. I thought I saw another goal. It's out. Okay, JNV Twinum, make some noise. Rayburn School, make some noise. If I mention the other school, they are not much in number. They may feel bad. So we will cheer it for all school together. 1, 2, 3. Make some noise for all the school. Okay. And Rayburn are nicely defending it, and it's out. JV Twinum keeper is going to kick out. Let's see where the ball lands. Let's see who scored another goal again. As the goal position is tight right now, 1-1. The ball flies in the air and it's landing where we don't know. It goes to the head leg of Rayburn and then they are chasing for the ball. And then it's hand. I think JNV Twinum is going to kick out. Take a deep breath, take it slow, and make the goal fast. Free kick from JNV Twinum and then nicely catch by Rayburn keeper. Who doesn't witness today's historic event is Len Lai Chan. It's out again. 1-1. And let me remind you again, before, from Rayburn School, jersey number 7 scored the goal. And also, jersey number 10 from JNV Twinum scored the goal. They may get award. Rayburn check, JNV Twinum check. Okay, penalty kick, I think Rayburn is going to kick goal.
Jennifer.
Another one from Rudy is coming up. It's okay, no worries. It's 2 in the morning. Standing ovation ang movie. Assume lộc pia.
Say program. Why this program is hosted or done by our school under the instruction of Education Ministry, India.
So, I would like to hand over this cultural art to our two anchors, Madam Mary Guite and Miss Ningneva, to take over this cultural art.
Miss.
Good afternoon, everyone. Are you excited? How are you feeling?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have come to the cultural art this evening. The highlights of the program are cultural group dance to be performed by different cultural troops, and we also have a star attraction from Miss Kim Min Hoi Kimi Waipe. She'll be performing for us, and at the same time we also have another
Okay, thank you so much.
May we now invite GNV to Choir Group for the group song.
Please welcome them with a big hand.
Thank you, Rayburn High School, for the wonderful song. The person who sang it first, Michael Jackson, he is no longer here with us on this earth, but the song he left behind will be relevant for all times to come. Thank you, Rayburn High School, once again. Now we'll move on with the next item, that is cultural dance by SSPP General Headquarters. Lamka Block. Now, I invite the Lamka Block SSPP to perform their cultural dance. Please welcome them on the stage.
lâm khăn tu na ding apoi mo be ki bung khat na di ba apoi mo be hi madang hi bo hi chumai luna chung ba the na kon mi ngai luna bang tia
Thank you, Miss Kimi Waipei, for serenading us with your melodious voice. Thank you. Now we'll move on with the next item. There is a slight change in the order of sequence. And now we'll have a cultural dance by HYA Homoy. Please let us welcome HYA Homoy for the cultural dance.
Now, I would like to invite Miss Ruth Jingwan Kim to present us a song.
cái này tao lâu.
That was a marvelous performance by HYA. Homeboy, thank you once again.
Video song. Ole. Baby, go and take one chair for me. Sao này kim đã tàu này cái tàu đây chưa? Lên sao cái tàu tân thế này?
In serious ways. And before that, I would like to inform to those who are not coming yesterday, judges are not from this school. Judges are from the participating school. We are doing in such a way that it is a crystal clear result. Okay. So to give away the prize for PRERANA patriotic poem recitation, may I like to request Sir Mentor Vikram Singh to kindly come up for PRERANA patriotic poem recitation. Our total mark is 150, and out of that, I'll give away the prize from first person to third person. First person goes to, whom do you choose? Yeah, not right. Okay, first person goes to PLE Lengaidun of Soikhala Ideal School. PLE Lengaidun. Okay, congratulations. And now second person goes to none other than from the Dawn School. Chingren Moy. First person PLE Lengaidun secure 136 points out of 150, and Chingren Moy secure 133, a difference of 3 marks. Okay, just a correction. Another photo again, sir. Thank you so much.
हमेशा रहता है तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरी फसलों में ले जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू केसरी
presentation of individual and football tourney awards, and this will be conducted by the coordinator.
Okay, once again, good afternoon to each and every one of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
ADC Sir Saurabh has a meeting with JTO as she has set out, so she has to return back. And she'll be coming after 30 minutes. So because of that, we'll be giving away the individual prizes and we'll wait for the big prize so that she can give away. Okay? So now, she secured 125 points. Madam has served Manipur Special Service and President is serving as the Junior Special Officer of Cultural Troupe. You are honoredly welcome to this meeting.
Thank you, Madam Esther, for coming us. Now let us all be seated. We'll have Man Santing of Harmony English School, who took second prize in the solo song competition. Please welcome her.
Kung si santulay sa kapwa na sindang huwang bangwa divin kapal telo pagabangkit kang mahabang wakong biri nalhabang sa tungkit bawang hanggang sulen siyanin ay din gamnay huwang piadibhi
Kala zelve. Za amasa temo, za niha temo. Kakap ve. Kali pun kit dovo.
Let us give them a round of applause.
Ai ha. Ni chi nai bele. Tam sen wo bele. Try again. Try again. Mungkin dia tempat.
performance. Now I would like to call upon Rayburn High School to present us with a cultural dance.
After the cultural dance by Rayburn High School, there will be distribution of football tourney awards as well as declaration of PRERANA 2024 winner.
Woo! You should shout at that time.
As well as the unity because of the one view. And now, just before I go to the next item, I would like to request Sir Hazel to kindly come up on the dais. Okay. And may I like to request the cultural troop leader of. May I like to request the runner-up team captain to kindly come up on the dais and collect their trophy. Runner-up Jen B. Twinong. Jen B. Twinong, team captain. Would come after some time, and in the meantime, in this program, we would like to declare who are the winners. And for that, just before that, may I like to request Sir Nanghala to kindly come up on the dais. Sir Nanghala, DI of the school, please. I'd like to announce the friendship tourney football result. As we have already seen with our own eyes, we know who is the winner. Now,
For your performance made us way along.
okay, Audience, you are requested to be silent now. Now the big one and the most important part of the program. If madam have, yeah, please, ma'am, please kindly come up on the dais. Jetio, ma'am, Madam Esther. The students, participants, venue, as well as the participating team. Yesterday, I have already told you, don't go for the prize, but go for the participation. Yeah, after analyzing all the performances and with the person interview of today, we have finalized the winner for this program. The winner for PRERANA 2024 Gen B Twino is none other than, you might not expect, they are the one who did not get even a single prize. Yes, I told you, this is the amazingness or the uniqueness of PRERANA. You might get prizes, but if your performance is bad in other, you won't get any recognition. Now, to showcase, I'd like to request Mr. Khairumang Ham Singh Young Nanner School. He's the winner of PRERANA 2024. Mr. Khairumang, please kindly be there. Yeah. We are going to have a photo session with the dignitaries, okay? Winner of 2024 boy for Gen B Twinom, winner is none other than Grace Malandem of Young Nanner School. She secured 237 out of 300. So, you see, young learners, you are doing great.
Good evening, everyone. Respected Sir Vikram Singh, JNB Principal, Vice Principal of JNB, non-teaching and teaching staff of JNB, and private school students, the teachers, the teacher guide, and everyone present here. Today, I'm very happy to be with you all on this auspicious occasion. I'm very delighted to attend this program as Principal Sir invited me to attend this program today. So regarding this program in the coming days also, I'm expecting to see more and more participants from various schools, and then I would like all the participants to know that winning or losing is a different thing. Participation and having the spirit to participate is the most important thing. That is what I would like to imbibe this thing to all the students who come here today. So with this, I'd like to thank everyone present here, and Sir Vikram Singh for taking the initiative to host this program successfully. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, ma'am, for the words of inspiration that we have from you. Now we'll move on with our next item, that is cultural dance by Kuki Cultural Troupe from Bozang Youth Club. Please welcome Kuki Cultural Troupe from Bozang on the stage.
man, so 3 old sila nga. Woo!
Okay, that was a wonderful performance. In Canaan, what does right? And the best one is kept at the last. So the performance is excellent, marvelous. Now, I'd like to request Sir Nangkala to kindly come up on the dice, sir, for a few minutes. And I'd like to request Thadu Kuki Cultural Troupe leader, Bozdang Youth Club, to kindly come up on the dice.
Vice Principal, Jerio Madam, Headmaster, all private school teacher, and those who are present here. We're really thankful for inviting our Jerio Madam. I am just accompanying her, but you give so much respect to us. We're really indebted to it. God bless you all. As you all know, Navodaya is my home. I stay 20 years here. Okay. From 2000. Thank you so much. For this period, I'll conclude my short speech. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your words. Now I would like to request Chingai Niem from Dawn School, who stood third position in the solo song competition. Please welcome her with a round of applause.
Bila sa hambang la sa hindi lama.
You never visited. तो बच्चों को हमारे बहुत अच्छा एक्सपोजर मिला है यहाँ पे. We'll try to organize more functions and we'll call you for exposure.
And just like that, Culture Festival comes to an end. Happy time. Bye.